Hey there, Minecraft builders! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Minecraft Master Builders. I'm your host, and today we have something truly special in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of ancient Japan as we show you how to build a breathtaking Japanese temple right here in Minecraft. So, grab your pickaxes and let's get started.
But before we begin, I have an exciting announcement for all the young gamers out there. Moonpreneur is offering a fantastic opportunity to learn how to code while having a blast in the virtual world. Check out their Minecraft coding course, where kids can learn the skills of coding in the fastest and most fun way ever possible. And guess what? They're offering a free class just for you. So, if you're interested in leveling up your game development skills, be sure to book a free class today. Details are in the description below.
Step 1. Get inspiration. Alright, let's dive into the first step, getting inspired. Building a Japanese temple requires a clear vision of what you want to create. Start by researching online, analyzing pictures of real Japanese temples, or exploring existing Minecraft worlds for inspiration. Once you've settled on a design, you're ready for the next step.
Step 2. Gather the materials. Now that you have a design in mind, it's time to gather the materials needed for your masterpiece. For a traditional Japanese temple, you'll need plenty of wood. Spruce or dark oak are excellent choices. Additionally, collect cobblestone or stone bricks, as they'll form the foundation of your temple. Don't forget about the smaller details like stairs, lanterns, and other decorations. Terracotta or glazed terracotta blocks can add a touch of elegance to your structure.
Step 3. Materials required for temple. Location is crucial for your temple's placement. Consider two important factors: the flatness of the land and the availability of resources. Building on a flat area will make the construction process smoother. And having resource deposits nearby will save you time and effort in gathering the necessary materials.
Step 4. Choose an appropriate location. Now that you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to clear the area. Cut down any trees in the vicinity and collect the wood that falls. Begin laying the foundation and outline of your temple using stone blocks or bricks in a rectangular or square shape. This will serve as the base for your masterpiece.
Step 5. Clear the area and build the foundation. Use these logs to craft the base of your temple. Lay down stone blocks or bricks in a rectangular or square shape, outlining the perimeter of your temple. This foundation will provide stability for the rest of your construction.
Step 6. Build the pillars and walls. With the foundation set, it's time to build up the walls and create those iconic Japanese temple pillars. Construct tall pillars at each corner of the foundation and connect them with walls. You can use a combination of stone and wood to give your temple an authentic look. Remember to add your personal touch with decorative designs using different block types.
Step 7. Constructing the roof. No Japanese temple is complete without its distinctive roof. Using wooden stairs, create a conical shape that mimics the traditional Japanese roof design. Experiment with different stair formations to achieve an aesthetically pleasing result. The roof is where your temple will truly shine, so take your time and ensure it's just right.
Step 8. Making the doors and windows. To add an element of mystique and grandeur, your temple needs impressive doors and windows. Create double doors made from redwood to give your entrance a grand appearance. Additionally, consider adding small rectangular windows to allow natural light inside and make the interior feel more inviting. Remember, attention to detail is key.
Step 9. Detailing the interior. Now that the exterior is taking shape, let's shift our focus to the interior. A Japanese temple's interior should be well decorated and serene. Craft altars using wood and hang pictures on the walls to create a sacred atmosphere. If you have wool, dye it to make colored carpets that complement the outer walls. Make the space your own sanctuary within Minecraft.
Step 10. The outer gardens. Lastly, no Japanese temple is complete without a beautifully landscaped outer garden. Use wooden fences to create a perimeter and incorporate stone elements to design a tranquil garden. Plant colorful flowers and consider adding a serene pond. For an added touch of realism, introduce ducks into your pond to bring the scene to life.
And there you have it, fellow builders. We've shown you the step-by-step process of building your very own Japanese temple in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it inspiring. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your imagination in Minecraft.
Before we say goodbye, I want to remind you of the amazing opportunity provided by Moonpreneur. If you're passionate about Minecraft and want to learn how to code, don't miss out on their Minecraft coding course. It's a fantastic way to acquire valuable skills while having a blast. And remember, they're offering a free class, so don't hesitate to sign up. Details are in the description below.
That's all for today, fellow crafters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future episodes. Until next time, happy crafting, and may your Minecraft adventures be truly legendary.